The negative numbers are the numbers to the left of 0 on the number line. Because we've taken the time to develop familiarity with the number line, working with negative numbers will not be nearly as confusing or complicated as they usually are. If you ever feel lost or confused, use the picture. It will help to guide you through. Example, compute negative 2 plus 4 using a number line. We will first draw the number line including negative numbers. What does it mean that the first number is negative 2? On all the previous problems, the first step of the number line calculation is to start from 0 and move to that first number. In this case, that number is negative 2. Now we need to add 4. We've done this before. This means to move 4 spaces to the right. This process stops at the number 2, so the final answer is 2. And that's all there is to it. If we stick to the number line picture, these calculations all work out relatively easily. Example, compute 5 plus negative 3 using a number line. We always start by drawing the number line. 5 plus negative 3 tells us to start from 0 and move to the number 5. And now we need to add negative 3. To add negative 3 means to move 3 steps back to the left. If adding a positive means moving to the right, and negative numbers are on the opposite side of the positive numbers, it makes sense that adding a negative means move to the left. 3 steps to the left of 5 puts us at 2, so 5 plus negative 3 equals 2. Example, compute negative 30 plus 15 using a number line. By this point, your reflex should be to think about multiples of 5. We start from 0 and move to negative 30, and then move 15 back to the right. Negative 30 plus 15 equals negative 15. There's a small point of notation that we need to deal with. Both of the following notations are acceptable. Negative 30 plus 15 and negative 30 plus 15. When the negative number is at the beginning, we do not need to use parentheses. However, if the negative number comes after the addition signs, it must have parentheses. That means that 5 plus negative 3 is acceptable like this, but 5 plus negative 3 like this is not acceptable. We never want to have two arithmetic symbols side by side. One important reason for this is that the negative sign very easily becomes lost in the second case. But by writing the parentheses, you greatly reduce the chances of making a mistake simply on the basis of misreading your own work. Example, compute negative 4 plus negative 7 using a number line. Before drawing the number line, we can see that we're going to need to move to the left and then to the left again, so we might as well move 0 all the way to the right. And now we do the calculation. 4 steps to the left, followed by 7 steps to the left. The final answer is negative 11. Negative 4 plus negative 7 equals negative 11.